Man, it's boring just waiting for a tornado to come.
There seems to be a package coming to the house.
I'll get it. Oh, a package from PSP.
Dear TSM Gang, if you are wondering what's in the box, it's some model rockets for you all. I have a launch pad and rocket launch mechanism all set for you at TSM Park. Signed,
Name and address withheld.
aka Broken Solar Panel. P.S. One of the rockets had garbage packed into it. I don't know what it is, but there's a high chance it's part of a pyrotechnic rocket. P.P.S. That same rocket has yellow spots because one of the bad sirens peed on it.
I heard PSP tried this. One launches rockets jammed into the ground like a lawn dart.
Oops. Oh, and it jammed into the ground.
Yeah.
Did I hear you were gonna launch model rockets? Yeah. PSP sent us some model rockets and set up a launch pad at TSM Park. He made rockets for me, both same using a learner, you, and 1003.
Get over here, Thunder BK. What's with these rockets?
PSP set up some model rockets for us to fire off at TSM Park.
Cool. Let's go.
The Thunderbolt.
Cable same using. What's going on? PSP send us model rockets for us to launch at TSM Park.
Let's go. Okay, now let us grab our rockets. Holy crap. Mine is awesome.
Yup. This one definitely captures my personality. Nice. PSP put Japanese writing on mine. What does this button do? Nice.
Oh yeah. Let's see my rocket. Who did this?
Alert's black rocket's almost done. Oh crap. Oh.
Oh crap.
Okay, now I gotta get these rockets to TSM World.
P50. There are two things a number one is good for. A toilet, and a rocket for Mr. Toilet. You Home Depot paint bucket. I should go first. Ready, guys?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh,
My turn. Alright. Ready.
yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
You may not have won my heart, and you never will, but you just won at lawn darts.
My turn. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. What? Where did it go?
My turn. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Wow, that's an amazing rainbow right there.
My turn. What the heck? My rockets disappeared too.
Wait, there's a label in my rocket. Warning. Contains firework parts. Hey, let's move the launch pad. I have a good way to prank T-50. 3, 2, 1, here goes nothing. Guys, run. WTF? A learner.